Well, hey guys, I'm Professor Bates, and this is my assistant, Bob. Um, I'm kind of out of focus here. I don't know what's going on. Bob will be my teaching assistant and best buddy. So you got a little backup here. Bob's mainly interested in going on a walk here, so I'm going to need to take him in a minute. Thank you, buddy. Um, I want to welcome you to my class and just kind of go through a couple of things. First of all, let me see if I can share my screen. I think I can do that. Okay. Yep, it says I'm sharing. So let's go to Blackboard. Blackboard is the key, guys. This is going to be where you will find everything that you need to make this course work for you. Let's go to the internet. And so I'm on the main page here of the college, and I'm going to go to Blackboard because that's where the online courses will be. And let's see here if I can get to it. It's a little bit slow this morning. It'll load up, and then you find your course, which in this case will be 1301 English, 1301 Composition 1, Section 252. Now, when you pull this up, guys, there's a lot of stuff here, and don't let it overwhelm you. But basically, you're going to start where it says start here, and you're going to work your way all the way down through these modules until you get to the final exam. Okay. Now, let me be real upfront with you. We haven't got a lot of time. This is a short 8-week online course. So you're going to be writing, just about every day. You're going to be turning in essays almost every single week, usually on Sunday night. You do want to start at the start here because your first assignment is going to be a syllabus quiz. All right. And there's only 2 questions on there, guys. It's really easy, but I need you to take it because it's the one assignment that registers you in the class. Okay. So in the first day or two, and I would do it today, try to get that syllabus quiz knocked out. Now, the actual syllabus, go into, I think, let's see, the materials. Oops, I'm sorry, that's the textbook, which I guess I'll go ahead and mention. That is where you will find your textbook, is that link. Should be available to you there online. Let me go back though and show you the syllabus, which is right here. Syllabus English 1301 online, first 8 weeks of fall 2025. I would open that sucker up and download it, okay? Because you're going to need to know this to answer the syllabus quiz questions. Now, you probably could do it without looking at it, but you really do need to look at this because this is an outline of what we're going to be doing in this class, and it has some of the rules and regulations and things you need to know. But primarily, you're going to need to do that first assignment. So don't put that one off. All right. Once you get done with that, you can read a little bit about me if you want to. There's something in here about how to get to Blackboard information if you have questions, how to do a Google Doc conversion if you're using Google Docs to write with. That's cool, but make sure you save them as a Microsoft Word file before you upload them to me. Okay. And then you'll get into Module 1, which is going to be about essay organization. How do we organize an essay? Getting everything kind of in order. We'll be doing what we call a narrative essay, where you're going to tell me about something that happened in your life that changed the way you act, think, and feel. So you don't need to do any research. This is something that you can find in your own life. And here's where you're going to turn in that narrative essay, lesson 2 narrative essay. If we click on that, let me get it to open here. Down at the bottom, it says writing the narrative, lesson number 3. Okay. It's going to tell you about how to do that. And then this is where you're going to turn in your essay. So it says essay number 1, the narrative tells you the day it's due. It's going to be very quick. And then you will simply upload it. This also tells you, the information about what you're trying to do. So again, you're going to upload your essays to me through Blackboard. I will then grade them and give you a score. And that's pretty much going to be the continuation throughout modules 2 and modules 3 and module 4. You'll just keep going through these, doing the lessons, and when they get to the essay, writing the essay and uploading it to Blackboard. Okay, there's also some quizzes and some other things. We're going to be reading a novel a little bit later on, and you'll be taking some exams over that. So I don't want to overwhelm you on the first day, but I just wanted to kind of give you an idea of Blackboard. If you've never done a PJC course, it may take a little while to get used to this, but you'll do it. I'm not too concerned about that. I think you guys will handle it. So anyway, good to meet you. Good writing. Do not procrastinate. That's probably my main piece of advice. Make sure you're getting in there and getting those assignments done. Remember to do your own writing. I'd rather have something that you actually wrote than something that you stole from somebody else. That's not going to teach you anything. And the plagiarism detector will probably catch it, and then we'll have to have a discussion. So do your own writing. Stay up on your assignments, and I think you should do fine. I've had plenty of students pass this course with flying colors, and I know you can be one too. Thanks, guys, and I look forward to working with you. Probably the best way to get a hold of me is through email. Okay, Dragon Mail, dbates@parisjc.edu. I am not in Paris. I'm off campus. You probably are too. So I don't have an office over there. The best way, again, to talk to me is probably through email. Now, if you want, we can always set up a Zoom meeting. There's a lot of things we can do for me to help you. We also have a writing center at PJC that is super, super helpful. And I would definitely use those guys. The librarians at the library, those folks are very helpful too. All right, I think Bob is chewing on something, so I'm going to go check on him, and I will talk to you guys later.